Hello friends, welcome everyone to my channel E-Engineering. Today topics: Hacker.
A computer hacker is a computer expert who uses their technical knowledge to achieve a goal or overcome an obstacle within a computerized system by non-standard means. Though the term hacker has become associated in popular culture with a security hacker, someone who utilizes their technical know-how of bugs or exploits to break into computer systems and access data which would otherwise be unavailable to them. Hacking can also be utilized by legitimate figures in legal situations. For example, law enforcement agencies sometimes use hacking techniques in order to collect evidence on criminals and other malicious actors. This could include using anonymity tools such as a VPN or the dark web to mask their identities online. Security-related hacking. Security hackers are people involved with circumvention of computer security. Among security hackers, there are several types, including white hat hacker. White hats are hackers who work to keep data safe from other hackers by finding system vulnerabilities that can be mitigated. White hats are usually employed by the target system's owner and are typically paid sometimes quite well for their work. Their work is not illegal because it is done with the system owner's consent. Black hat hacker.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Black hats or crackers are hackers with malicious intentions. They often steal, exploit, and sell data and are usually motivated by personal gain. Their work is usually illegal. A cracker is like a black hat hacker, but is specifically someone who is very skilled and tries via hacking to make profits or to benefit, not just to vandalize. Crackers find exploits for system vulnerabilities and often use them to their advantage by either selling the fix to the system owner or selling the exploit to other black hat hackers who in turn use it to steal information or gain royalties. Gray hat hacker. Gray hats include those who hack for fun or to troll. They may both fix and exploit vulnerabilities, but usually not for financial gain. Even if not malicious, their work can still be illegal if done without the target system owner's consent, and gray hats are usually associated with black hat hacker. Security hacker. A security hacker is someone who explores methods for breaching defenses and exploiting weaknesses in a computer system or network. Hackers may be motivated by a multitude of reasons, such as profit, protest, information gathering, challenge, recreation, or evaluation of a system weaknesses to assist in formulating defenses against potential hackers. The subculture that has evolved around hackers is often referred to as the computer underground. Long-standing controversy surrounds the meaning of the term hacker. In this controversy, computer programmers reclaim the term hacker, arguing that it refers simply to someone with an advanced understanding of computers and computer networks, and that cracker is the more appropriate term for those who break into computers, whether computer criminals, black hats, or computer security experts, white hats. A 2004.
Friends, you want to become hackers? Subscribe my channel. We are going to hacking course.